With this 4-hour concert by Madurai T.N.S. Krishna, our 31 days successful Mudra's 26th Fine Art Festival come to an end. In this 31 days festival, we had web streaming of 1 live concerts and inauguration, 39 recorded concerts, 20 concerts from archives. Totally 250 artists participated in this year's festival. All preparations and presentations of this festival, right from arranging the best audio and video quality every year, a meticulous planning has been done, and it has been done to the satisfaction of Rasikas and artists. The newly renovated workstation Mudra Music Studio at Nungambakkam was very helpful to video record all the concerts, editing and web streaming through Palam TV. All the artists who have participated in this recording session enjoyed the best ambience which we have provided.
The ambience and atmosphere, acoustics, everything is so comfortable and very conducive for music.
இங்கே பாடினதுலேயும் அவ்வளோ ஒரு ஆனந்தம். ஏன்னா the arrangement is so beautiful.
In their studios, such a beautiful ambience இங்கே இருக்கு.
Even though the recording is going very high tech.
Our daily messages through WhatsApp and posting through Facebook would have helped all the Rasikas to watch all the programs. We had enormous viewers throughout the festival. We thank all Palam TV viewers who took so much interest in our festival and watched all the programs and also gave a positive feedback. We thank for the cooperation of all the artists who have participated in this festival. We thank our sponsors, Planjeri Foundation, IndusInd Bank, Sundaram Finance, Anuradha Kodanraman, Anand Padmanabhan, and all the viewers who have contributed by way of joy of giving and supported us for this festival. We thank our President Nalli Kuppusamy Chettiar for the moral support throughout the festival, though he was not able to support financially due to COVID situation. We always have the gratitude for the support given for us for the past 25 years for functioning of Mudra. We thank the press and the media for the coverage and reviews. We also thank all the technicians who are involved in making the festival a grand success. Last but not the least, we thank all Palam TV viewers all over the world for watching all our programs and encouraging us.
இந்த 2020 மார்ச்சில் இருந்தே பாலம் டிவியோட பல விதமான நிகழ்ச்சிகளை நான் ரசிச்சுட்டே தான் வரேன்.
கடந்த ஒரு மாசமா நாங்கள் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ எல்லா ப்ரோக்ராமும் நல்ல ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டை வச்சு டெடிக்கேட்டடாக ஆர்டிஸ்ட்லாம் பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது எங்களுக்கு இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் எல்லாமே.
பாலம் டிவினா PQ அப்படிங்க ஆகுது. என்னன்னா பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ், presentation and perfection.
It is a great gesture of Mudra to conduct online music festival for 1 month and webcast it through Palam TV free of cost to the Rasikas.
Though Palam TV has started 8 years back, this COVID has paved way to widen the Rasika circle and reach more Rasikas all over the globe. Yes, the cultural movement continues from Mudra Sabha to Mudra Digital in future. Keep following us in Palam TV, Palam Archives, Mudra Bhaskar's YouTube channel and Mudra 25 Facebook page. Sit back from your homes, watch and enjoy all our programs in the days to come. This is Mudra Bhaskar signing off, wishing you a happy new year 2021. Thank you.